instant good only vibrates deeper rings. You do as you fit to do. I won't question anything. I love like a queen would love, and take your word straight from the start. And if that word falls short of grace, my self-respect stays king of this heart. Not that I'm more holy than, not that I am all that's pure. Just clear on what I can stand to wake with on the morning of setting up a practice for a human death that should have come. Who will you be fooling then? What will I be priestess of? I love like a queen would love, and take your word straight from the start. And if that word fell short of grace, my self-respect stays king.